Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 5.2 question number 3. Chapter 5 data handling. The question is draw a pie chart showing the following information. Informations are given here. The table shows the color preferred by the group of people. Colored blue. Number of people prefer blue color is 18. Green color preferred by 9 people. Red color preferred by 6 people. Yellow color preferred by 3 people. Now you know that when we are going to draw a pie chart, we have to find out the central angle to make the center properly. We have to make this central angle first. So when we are doing central angle, we have to find the total sum of the people. Now 18 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3, 36. Now blue colored preferred by 18 people. Out of 36 people, 18 people preferred blue color. So now when we are converting into central angle, you know that in previous sums also you have done how to convert central angle into 360 degree. So out of 36, 18 people preferred blue color multiplied by 360 degree. Then what we will do, 36 1 ja 36, 36 10 ja 360. So 18 into 10, 180 degree. In the same way, green color preferred by 9 people. Out of 36, 9 people liked, 9 people preferred green color. So out of 36, how many? Again 36, 1 ja 36, 36 10 ja 360. So 90 degree. Central angle for green color, we have to draw 90 degree angle. In the same way, now red color preferred by 6 people. Out of 36, 6 people like red color. So out of 360, how many? Again you need to cancel it. 36 1 ja 36, 36 10 ja 360. So it will be 60 degree. And yellow color preferred by 3 people. So 36 out of 36, 3 into 360. Cancel it. 36 1 ja 36 10 ja 360 degree, 30 degree. So the central angle for all the colors, we have got our central angle. Now we have to draw the pie chart. First, take any radius and draw a circle. The first step of the pie chart is draw a circle with any radius. After drawing this circle, take any radius, one line, and from the center to the circumference, draw this line. That means draw a radius. And for blue color, central angle is 180 degree. So you need to draw 180 degree first. So 180 degree means if you draw a diameter, then you will get this as the angle for the blue color is 180 degree. So draw the diameter of the circle as because it is a straight line. So 180 degree we can draw for blue color here. Central angle is 180 degree. Now next is 90 degree. Use protector. You know how to use protector. Use the point of this center as the point vertex of the angle and draw 90 degree. Here you have to draw 90 degree. Say from the center you have find out the point where it is 90 degree. Now join this line. This 90 degree will be the color for central angle for the color green. Though the point is outside, but you will draw the line up to the circumference. Then it is 90 degree, and this portion is for green color. This portion is for blue color, and the remaining portion red is for 60 degree. Central angle for red is 60 degree. Use this line as base and the center as vertex. You have to draw 60 degrees. See, it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is 60 degree. You have to draw make a point here. It is 60 degree. Now draw the line from the center to the circumference. It will be 60 degree. And this is for red color. This is 60 degree and this sector is for red color. And the remaining automatically it will be 30 degree. You can see that use this is as center and this will be the baseline. Then you can see that it is exactly 30 degree. I think it is very clear to you that it is 30 degree. Okay. Now in this way all the angles and the central angle you can find out, and this is for yellow color. Yellow color, blue, red, green, yellow. The central angle also you have find out. In this way you have to draw the pie chart to show the central angle here. Now question number 5. The number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. The data is given here. Up to here you will get the question in your book. Language, number of students. Language Hindi 40 students. Language English 12 students. Language Marathi 9. Tamil 7. Bengali 4. Total number of student has been surveyed is 72 in that hostel. Number of student, total number of student 72. You have to draw by using this data. You have to draw the pie chart. Now you know that before drawing pie chart, you have to find the central angle. So 72 out of 72. Hindi, for language Hindi 40. So out of 72 40 by 72. When you are converting in the central angle, then it will be 360 degree. 40 by 72 into 360 degree. If you cancel it, 72 1 is 72, 72 5 is 360 degree. Now for 40 into 5, it will be 200 degree. Central angle 200 degree. English 12. So 12 by 72 into 360 degree. Out of 72, 12. So 72 1 is 72, 72 5 is 360 degree. 12 5 is 60 degree. Now this angle Marathi 9 out of 72 9. So out of 360 how much? 5 9 5 is 45 degree. Next Tamil out of 72 7 students. So cancel it. Out of 360 degree how many students are there? 1 and 5. That means 7 5 is 35 degree. Next is Bengali out of 72 4. So out of 360 how many? So 20 degree. Okay. Now you have to draw the pie chart by using this central angle. Now to draw a pie chart, you have to draw a circle first with any radius and draw the radius. Now we will not do 200 degree because it is more than 180 degree. I will do it afterwards. Now I will draw all the acute angle first. Now 60 degree. Draw this radius and take this radius as base and the center as the vertex of the angle. Draw 60 degree. You have to go to the left side as it is in base is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 60 degree will be the first angle for English. Draw the line up to the circumference. It is 60 degree. Next angle is language is Marathi. It is 45 degree. Now take this is as base, this line as base. Draw 45 degree angle. Again take this is as base and this one is a vertex. Draw 45 degree. For 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 degree. In between 40 and 50 it will be 45 degree. So now draw the line up to the circumference. This is 45 degree. Next language is Tamil and it is 35 degree. Take this line as base. This line as base. Draw 35 degree. Again 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. In between 30 and 40 it will be 35 degree. In between 30 and 40. So it is 35 degree. Next angle is 20 degree. Now for language Bengali, 20 degree. Again take this line as base and the center as vertex. You need to draw 20 degree angle. See 0, 10, 20. So it is 20 degree. Now draw this line, join this line from the center to the up to the circumference. This one is 20 degree. Now the remaining portion, if these angles are you have drawn properly, see the values 20 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 35 degree and 20 degree. 200 degree will come automatically. See, you can get 200 degree automatically. So the remaining angle will be 200 degree. In this way you can draw. Now you have to write the language you are indicating by this central angle. Here it is Hindi. You have to write this. It is Bengali. (35 degree) it is Tamil. 45 degree Marathi. 60 degree English. In this way you have to write, you have to indicate all the different languages which one you are showing as in a pie chart, and the central angle also you have to mention in this way. I hope this will be very easy for you, but you need to practice. And if you want to make this kind of design, if it is optional, if you want to do, if you have time to after completing the work, after completing the pie chart, if you have time, then you can draw in this kind of design for different. Here we have in the question number, it is question number 3, yellow, blue, green, red colors preferred by the number of peoples. It was the pie chart is representing this only. So this one I have given in this way. It is not necessary you have to do. It is optional. If you want to do, you can do it. If you don't want to do, but the central angle and the name of the portions, sectors portion you have to mention. That's enough. Practice it, students. Thank you, students.